Dad, I asked you to go to California with me. What do you want? No, what the hell do you want? If I live here for the rest of my life, it wouldn't be enough. I've tried. God damn it. I've tried to be the dutiful son. To maintain the image of the good son. Commanded into your presence in every conceivable occasion. Easters, birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgivings. Even that Thanksgiving, when Carol was dying and I was staying with her in the hospital. We miss you so, you said. The days are not the same without you. Couldn't you just come up for an hour or two after you leave Carol? You had no regard in what was going on. My wife was dying. No, Dad. It is not terrible to want to be with your son. It is terrible to want to possess him. Entirely. Completely. Ungrateful. Ungrateful! What the fuck do you want for gratitude? Huh? What do you want? Nothing! Fucking nothing will be enough! Look! I am sorry as hell about your miserable childhood. I really am. When I was a kid, and you will tell me all those stories, I will go up to my room at night and just cry. There's nothing I can do anymore. And it does not excuse everything. I am grateful to you. I also admire you. And I respect you. And I stand in awe with everything that you have done with your life. I will never be able to touch it. But that does not make me love you. And I wanted to love you. No, don't fucking lie. You hated your dad. I saw what he did to you. I did not want to hate you. I was so close to loving you tonight. I've never felt open to you like this. You don't know how hard it was to ask you to come to California with me. When I have never been able to sit in a room alone with you. Did you really think that your door was always open to me? Goodbye, Dad.